Excel is just a program that so many companies use. I think there are a lot of spreadsheet programs out there, but Excel is the one that a lot of employers are specifically looking for. That's the one that you're going to see on a lot of job postings. I think that anybody could learn Excel from our tutorial. We really designed these to be as easy as possible to understand. Most of the lessons will have just a downloadable spreadsheet, so somebody can work along with the video or the lesson. We've changed our process for recording videos, so we're actually capturing them at a higher resolution than we did before. So if you're viewing it full screen, it's going to look really, really great. We have a brand new tool for creating labeled graphics. They give an interactive experience. It's really a great way to give an overview of an interface. A lot of jobs require Excel, so you're opening doors to new jobs that wouldn't have been available to you before. It can make you feel more empowered at work, enjoy your job more. It can really just improve your quality of life.